Hi, I'm Tori from BMPRO and I'm introducing the PowerCore 3K100 inverter charger. This is a 3000 watt inverter and up to 100 amp charging from an AC main source. It also comes standard with a remote display panel which can be mounted in an easily accessible place where you can control the inverter charger from it. The input and output of the inverter charger is hardwire, and the output also has a plug in the side here which makes it easy to plug in different appliances. The charging capability of this is 100 amp, but not every battery setup can handle that much charge. So this is adjustable down to 25 amp, suitable for smaller battery installations. This unit comes equipped with RCD protection on the output. From the menu, a user is able to go in and change a range of different settings in line with their battery installation. This includes different battery chemistries, capacities, charge currents, and alarm limits, as well as being able to remotely turn on and off the inverter charger. From the main screen, you can also scroll through the parameters of what your battery is currently running at, including the voltage, the current, and the kilowatt output. The screen will also indicate what the inverter charger is doing at the time. So if it's charging, it will indicate that there's AC available and it's working in bypass mode. So that's the PowerCore 3K100 inverter charger, which is suitable for installation in caravans with a power system or in four-wheel drives and other applications where high amp charging and large inverter is required.